Amsterdam is a vibrant city brimming with picturesque canals, rich history, and stunning art. In this video, we'll guide you through 5 essential activities to experience over your 2-week visit. Additionally, discover how the Amsterdamcitycard can optimize your travel experience, providing fantastic benefits and savings. Start your Amsterdam journey at the renowned Rijksmuseum, where you can witness remarkable masterpieces by Dutch artists like Rembrandt and Vermeer. The Amsterdamcitycard allows you to enter for free and skip long lines, giving you more time to immerse yourself in the beauty of Dutch art and culture. Continue your artistic journey at the Van Gogh Museum, which boasts the world's largest collection of Vincent van Gogh's masterpieces. From his iconic self-portraits to vibrant landscapes, this museum is a paradise for art lovers. With the Amsterdamcitycard, you can enjoy free entry and explore these breathtaking works. Experience the magic of Amsterdam by taking a scenic canal cruise. This unique journey through the city's iconic waterways allows you to admire stunning architecture and picturesque bridges. With the Amsterdamcitycard, you can enjoy this unforgettable cruise for free, showcasing the city's beauty from an entirely new perspective. A visit to Amsterdam is incomplete without exploring the poignant and Frank house. This historic site offers a deeply moving insight into the life of Anne Frank and her family during World War II. The Amsterdamcitycard allows you to bypass long lines, letting you reflect on this important narrative. Take a break from the city's bustling sights and relax in one of Amsterdam's beautiful parks, such as Vondelpark. The Amsterdamcitycard enhances your experience by offering free bike rentals on select days, allowing you to explore these lush green spaces leisurely and at your own pace. The Amsterdamcitycard provides more than just free entry to museums and canal cruises, it also offers valuable discounts at various attractions and restaurants throughout the city. We'll explore these exciting bonus options, ensuring you maximize your experience while enjoying the best that Amsterdam has to offer. Maximize your Amsterdamcitycard experience by utilizing practical tips for efficient travel. Plan your itinerary strategically to hit popular attractions during off-peak hours, ensuring minimal wait times. Consider travel times between locations to make the most of your day and enhance your overall travel adventure in Amsterdam. Embrace the adventure awaiting you in Amsterdam. With the Amsterdamcitycard, your 2-week visit can be filled with incredible experiences that showcase the city's culture, history, and art. Don't miss out on these essential activities, and be sure to subscribe for more valuable travel tips and insights.